Hey guys, feeling left out in 2022? Late to the race? Well, it's 2023 in a couple of days. And in today's video, I'm going to help you understand, you the seller, on some tips. 5 tips to help you understand this new market and what you can do to get your home sold faster. Let's dive in. Hey guys, Raymond, Beasley, United Real Estate Consultants. Sign up for my free guide. Click the description below, subscribe to my channel, and get notified when we post our new videos. So stay tuned. If you're thinking of selling still, let's dive in and get started today. I'm going to give you 5 tips to help understand this new market. And it's not too late to sell. It's still a great time. All great questions. Make sure you ask your real estate agent on the tips and tricks to get your home sold fast. So we're going to dive in today and we're going to talk about the 5 tips. For the 4th straight month, home prices obviously have fallen. More inventory, longer days on market. That's what you're facing if you're a seller these days. My advice is to prepare yourself for the following. Number 1, understand the market. Number 2, hire a realtor who is an expert in the market and can provide you with a comprehensive market analysis. Number 3, what fees do sellers pay when closing on a house? That is important because it affects the bottom line. Use tools. Cost to sell your home calculator. It's called the seller net sheet. Ask your realtor and get that information. It comes down to pricing, guys. You need to make sure your house is priced to sell. It all comes down, number 5, the price. It all depends on if your home is priced right for the market and you don't want it to stay on market for an extra length of time. And let's get it listed, sold today. Raymond Beasley, United Real Estate Consultants, is here to help educate buyers and sellers. Subscribe to my channel. You'll be notified when we post our next video. I'll see you on the next one.